Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You start by preparing the phone and tools. This prevents bricking. First, make sure battery is over 50%, enable developer options and USB debugging, and connect the original USB cable. Once done, power off the Realme GT Master Edition and press and hold volume down plus power to enter recovery. If that fails, use a PC and run a DB reboot recovery. This forces the device into recovery mode, so you can proceed with approved maintenance actions safely. Now you handle the core repairs. Try Wipe Cache Partition first because it resolves many recovery and boot issues while preserving user data. If the problem persists, perform a factory reset. Make sure you backed up important files before doing this because reset erases user data. For software fixes, choose Apply Update, then use ADB sideload on your PC or select a local update package from storage. This lets you install official firmware or vendor patches to restore recovery functionality. Finish by reflashing official full firmware only if recovery steps did not help. This replaces corrupted recovery partitions. Use the vendor-recommended tool or fastboot commands while in bootloader mode and make sure you pick the exact ROM for your model. Once the flash completes, reboot the system and walk through initial setup, then re-enter recovery to confirm it's fixed. If you still have issues, re-download the firmware, switch USB ports or cable, or try another PC. These changes often resolve stubborn connection or.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.